Na manyena ma kaunti ma Nairobi migosi Johnson Sakaja Osingo biro tiyo kod jopiny ma kaunti no ero kanyakla kod jotelo kata mabende negi chunga laro godo komno ero eneno ni kaunti ma Nairobi obedo kod dongruok makare. Koloso e kinde nyasi mare mar chamo muma mar chako tich apisa yanga ka gavana ma Nairobi. Sakaja opako ahinya jodak e kaunti ma Nairobi kuom nyiso weche mag dongruok e yor goyo ombulu kendo keto kwe kata obedo ni pod jopiny rito kaka doho mar Supreme biro ng'ado bura momake nyimgi kod kwethno ero mar Azimio la Umoja mabende kwedo duoko mag ombuch ker. Sakaja osingo timo dongruoge mathoth e kaunti no ero moriwo kanyakla keto alwora makare ne jotim ohala, rito alwora maler. Neno ni ohala otimore makare kaunti mar ting'o malo uchumi ma kaunti no ero e kind dongruoge mamoko mathoth mabende Osingo biro timo ne oganda jo Nairobi County.
Kayole to Lang'ata, Makadara to Dagoreti, throughout the entire span of our 17 sub-counties, 85 wards, Nairobi is full of vibrant culture, inspiration, ambition, energy, and hope. And I have always believed that all we need is a working city, and we will become unstoppable, that we will become a regional and global force. This is what we stand for: a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope, and a city of opportunity for all. We can make Nairobi work together. At this point, Your Excellency, President-elect, and all the leaders here, I want to acknowledge my competitors, especially my friend Polycarp Igathe, who I sat with recently, and he excused himself for today saying he's traveling. I want to acknowledge him because many of you might not know, but really running for office is above all an act of patriotism and courage. And like any race, the best political contest challenge candidates to their very best and to the end of their wits. So thank you, Polycarp Igathe, for engaging on the issues and for moving our county and our politics forward in the most positive way. You are a true embodiment of Siasa Safi, which I believe in. And it is simple. We will work with you to build a Nairobi whose hallmark is order, that upholds the dignity of all its citizens, that democratizes hope and creates opportunities for all. That our people deserve dignity. That the days of leaving your house and coming back in the evening to find a demolished structure are over in the county of Nairobi. That the days of innocent traders and hawkers just plying their trade because the administration has not provided for them, being chased and bungled into rust-filled contraptions by my good officers in the county, are over. That we will give our people the opportunity to do business, the opportunity to thrive, the opportunity to be who they're supposed to be. Because everybody, invariably, wants the same thing: to go about their lives peacefully, to make something out of themselves, and to guarantee their children, just like her, a future. That is the future we want to guarantee for Nairobi.